Dear Professor, now I will begin my introduction of my paper. As you well know, shale gas is rich in reservoirs, but is primarily usually very low. Fortunately, fracturing operation will change this status. However, fracture reorientation in this process will affect the stimulation effect. Now we developed a model for this investigation, and this finger introduces the simulation model, and this is the load boundary conditions and the initial conditions. Firstly, we investigated the effect of perforation azimuth on fracture reorientation. As can be seen now, as the perforation azimuth increases, the fracture reorientation becomes more and more serious. Secondly, we investigated the effect of injection rate of fracture reorientation. As we can see now, the injection rate has little effect on fracture reorientation, but it will affect the fracture perforation seriously. As can be seen now, with the increase of stress difference, the fracture reorientation will become more and more significant. Lastly, with the increase of flood viscosity, fracture reorientation will become more difficult to occur. However, with the increase of flood viscosity, the reorientation radius of fracture will become larger and larger, which indicates that the fracture reorientation will become more and more difficult to occur.